In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix brush preview not showing in Photoshop. If your brush suddenly turns into a tiny crosshair or disappears altogether, don't worry. We'll walk through a simple sequence of checks to bring that circular brush outline back. Start by making sure Photoshop is allowed to show the brush tip at all. Open Photoshop, then go to Preferences. On Windows, that's Edit, Preferences, Cursors. On a Mac, go to Photoshop, Preferences, Cursors. Under Painting Cursors, choose either Normal Brush Tip or Full Size Brush Tip, then click OK. Normal shows the central area of the brush, while Full Size shows the entire diameter, which can make your cursor easier to see. Next, quickly check your Caps Lock key. Caps Lock toggles a precise crosshair cursor in Photoshop. If it's on, the round brush preview will be replaced by a crosshair. Tap Caps Lock once to turn it off and the outline should reappear. If the preview is still hard to spot, it may be just too soft or too small. Select the brush tool by pressing B, right-click on the canvas to open the brush settings, increase the brush size, and set the hardness above 0. Extremely soft brushes or very tiny sizes can make the outline look invisible against certain backgrounds. You can also use the bracket keys to adjust size and Shift plus brackets to adjust hardness more quickly while you work. Let's also double-check cursor mode. Open Preferences and go back to Cursors. Make sure Precise is not selected. Choose a full-size brush tip for maximum visibility and confirm your changes. If things still look off, reset the brush tool. With the brush tool active, look at the top options bar, right-click the brush icon and click Reset Tool. This clears any unexpected settings without deleting your brush presets. If the cursor remains glitchy, your graphics processor might be involved. Go to Edit, Preferences, Performance, and uncheck Use Graphics Processor. Close and restart Photoshop. If the preview returns after the restart, update your GPU drivers, and when you're ready, re-enable Use Graphics Processor to restore acceleration. As a final measure, reset Photoshop's preferences. Go to Edit Preferences, General, click Reset Preferences on Quit, and restart Photoshop. This returns Photoshop to factory defaults, which often resolves stubborn display issues. Just remember you'll need to reapply any custom settings afterward. That's it. Follow these checks in order, and your brush preview should be back and easy to see. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical Photoshop tips and tutorials.